Guys, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're healthy and safe. Yeah, guys, these are weird times. We had over 12,000 Omicron cases today. Well, they're not all Omicron, but 80% were Omicron. Um, but I guess it's actually the true test of your passion. When the times are tough and you're still learning what you love, I believe that that actually is the true test of how much you want something. It's the true test of your passion. And like Winston Churchill once said, if you're going through hell, keep going. So, yeah, that's what we are doing. And we are learning Python on the way, which is brilliant. So, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about dictionaries in Python. I'm pretty sure all of us would have used a dictionary in our lives at one point, whether it was to translate English to Spanish or Spanish to English, or just to look for um, some words that you don't know to improve your vocabulary. So I'm pretty sure all of us would have used a dictionary like Oxford Dictionary or um, Merriam-Webster Dictionary, one of those. You would have used it. Dictionaries are in Python are very similar. So to give you a definition of what dictionary is, I actually pulled up a link. Um, Python dictionary. Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which, unlike other data types that hold only a single value as an element, dictionary holds key value pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. So what does this mean? So like in a proper dictionary, like an Oxford dictionary for an example, you look for the word and then you look for the meaning. So in Python, that word that you're looking for, that is similar to key, and the meaning of that word is similar to value. So that's what it means, key and value pair. Now we'll go further and I'll create the file. So I'll pull up my Visual Studio Code and I'm going to create a new file. Let's say I save it as, I think it's tut 8 just from memory, but I'm not sure. But guys, the numbers are not important. What's important is understanding what we are doing. So let's just create this. Okay, so Python dictionaries. Now, Python dictionaries are unordered lists. So they are not list. They are unordered data types. What it means is, I'll actually explain that to you. But let's create a dictionary first. So let's create a blank dictionary to start with. Let's say dict1, and to create a dictionary we use curly braces. So this is a blank dictionary. How do I know? I can actually print type of dict1. Now if I run it, it says class dictionary. So we have created a blank dictionary just by using curly braces. Now let's create another dictionary. So what I meant by unordered is it can be 3, 2, 1, or 3, 2, let's say 3, 20, 9, 7, and because I said it has to be a key and value pair. So what I've written here are just values. So let's say this is a dictionary for grades, and let's say these are grades out of 10. So Sam got 3 grades. Sorry, these are out of 20. Mandy got 20 out of 20. Then who else is there? Paul. Say Paul got 9. Let's say Clyde got 7. So see, it's not it doesn't have to be ordered. It is unordered. It doesn't have to be, it can be ordered if you want to create it that way. It's your choice. But 3 came before 20, and then 9 came, and then 7 came. So this is pretty much the way we create a dictionary. We write the key, then we write a colon, then we write the value. Now these values, they don't have to be integers, they can be strings as well. And let's create a new dictionary. Let's say shopping. Now this dictionary will have some names, and let me create, because we'll be using this dictionary to make some changes. So let's have Sam, and Sam does her shopping at, say, Costco. Then I've got Mandy, Mandy does her shopping at Walmart. Then I have Rohan, and he does his little bit of shopping from 7-Eleven. Then I have Tamara. She does her shopping from Amazon. Then I have maybe Paul. Or let's just leave it at Tamara for now. so I can explain it better. Okay, so this is a small dictionary where we are saying that it's a shopping dictionary. We are saying Sam shops from Costco, Mandy shops from Walmart, Rohan from 7-Eleven, and Tamara from Amazon. Perfect. Now, what do I do if I just want to see the keys of this dictionary? If I write print shopping dot keys like that, I'm just gonna clear this. You can see I got dictionary keys Sam, Mandy, Rohan, and Tamara. So it told me all the keys that we have. It's Sam, Mandy, Rohan, and Tamara. Now similarly I can actually print the values. So I'm just gonna copy paste, and instead of key I'm just gonna type values. Now what's gonna happen? Now it's telling me all the values as well. So Costco, Walmart, 7-Eleven, Amazon. Perfect. So this is how we can actually print the keys and the values. What if I want to print everything? So what do? Is just go here, type shopping dot items and print it. So now it's gonna show me the whole dictionary: Sam, Costco, Mandy, Walmart, Rohan, 7-Eleven, Tamara, Amazon. And as you can see, it changed them in small tuples. So when I'm printing it as items, it's showing them as tuples. Now, you might be thinking that I'm getting all these dictionary items, dictionary values, dictionary keys. What if I just want the list, like the actual dictionary? So all I need to do is just say print and parenthesis, just type the dictionary name. So it's gonna be shopping. And here we go: Sam, Costco, Mandy, Walmart, Rohan, 7-Eleven, Tamara, Amazon. Now, let me clear this first. Now regarding getting values out of dictionary, what do we do? So what I can do is I can type print d2, then I can type the key in square brackets. So say I want Rohan's. I know there's a key called Rohan in there. Actually, I'm just gonna remove this. You might be thinking what d2 is. That's actually, I forgot the name. It's shopping. So in shopping dictionary, I know there's a Rohan, and I want to print 7-Eleven. So whatever value is associated with this key, I want that. So if I do, let me just comment these out. So only what we want is printed. Yeah, let's see. I type shopping, Rohan. Rohan's value was 7-Eleven, and that's what's printed. So this is how you actually get values for a particular key in a dictionary, Python dictionary. Now, what if I had one more item here? Let's say it's called Paul. Now, Paul doesn't just do shopping from one place. Paul shops from different places on different day, which means we have a dictionary here inside Paul. Let's say on Sunday he shops from, thinking, maybe eBay. As if you're not sure what these companies names are, these are just big, like some shops, whether they are online or like whether they exist actually. Yeah, but they do exist. Like you can just search on Google and you will see that you can actually shop from them, whether it's food, groceries, or clothes or something. So our friend Paul shops from eBay on Sunday. Then on Monday he shops from, let's say, Alibaba. And then on Tuesday he shops from Macy's. Perfect. So what if I want to know, so now we know how to get a particular value for a particular key in a dictionary using this method. What if I want the value of Tuesday for Paul? Because his value is actually a dictionary. So how do we actually extract that? So what I need to do here is I will, let me just copy this, comment it out. Okay, so first of all we need it for Paul, and then here I'll put another square brackets. In this square brackets I'll type Tuesday. So it's pretty much like we are extracting key for Paul, and then Python reads it, it finds a list, sorry, another dictionary, not a list, another dictionary. Now in this dictionary I'm asking for a particular key, which is Tuesday. So value for Tuesday is what I want. So if I run this now, you can see I get Macy's. So this is how you actually extract values when your dictionary has another dictionary in it. Hope it's clear. Now there's few things I can do, and I'll show you. What if I want to add an item in my dictionary? Let me clear this. So to add an item in my dictionary, all I need to do is I need to type dictionary name, just shopping. Then in square brackets I'll type the name, so let's type Simon, and then an equal to sign and just the value for it. So let's say she does her shopping from Target. Perfect. And let's just print shopping again. So I'm just going to copy this. So you'll see that the Simon Target gets added to the shopping dictionary. Look at the end, it says Simon target. So this is how you actually add a value, a key value pair to the dictionary. Now let's say I add one more. So I add, let's say I add Peter. Let's say he's not shopping for himself, he's shopping for his girlfriend. So he shops from Victoria Secrets. Or I think it's Victoria's Secrets. Secret. I'm sorry about the spelling, guys. And the name. But let's just say this is it. So if I go here and I run it, I can see that Peter's value, key value pair, is now added in the dictionary. However, Peter found out that we are displaying this information, which he wanted to keep confidential because he's buying a gift for his girlfriend. He didn't want this to be displayed in the dictionary, so he wanted it to be deleted. So how do we do that now? What we do is we type del, then we type dictionary's name, and then we type whatever key we want to delete. So you can see Peter was added, and now I'm just deleting. So I type del, then shopping, which is the name of this particular dictionary, and then the key, which is Peter. And now if I print it again, so let's just copy this. Let me clear it. You can see when I print it again, Peter's value is now deleted. Now guys, an important thing. I can create a new dictionary, and I can actually do this. Shopping, or let's say shop again is equal to shopping. I can do this. However, what's going to happen is it is actually going to transfer all of this dictionary to shop again. When I make changes to shop again, shopping gets changed as well. And maybe that's not what you want. You wanted to keep the original list as it is. However, you wanted to it to be duplicated in a way that when you change the new list or new dictionary, when you change the new dictionary, the old one doesn't get changed. So what you do is, in that case, you need to copy it using copy. So you type copy, so that way if I change shop again, shopping will not be changed. So I'll show you an example. I'm actually going to show you an example for both of them. So let's say grades we created. Let's say grades 1 is equal to grades. Perfect. Now let's say I delete del grades 1. Let's say I delete what I'm deleting. Let's delete Paul. So I've transferred grades into grades 1. I'm not copying it. I just want to show you what's happening. Let me comment this out. Comment this out so you don't get confused. And let's print grades 1. In parentheses, you'll see what I'm doing. Okay. So we have a dictionary on the top. It says grades. We had 4 key value pairs in it. Now what I'm doing is I am printing it, then I'm transferring from grades to grades 1, then I'm deleting Paul's key value pair from grades 1, and then I'm printing both of them. So let's see what happens. See, when I printed the first time, Paul was there in grades. I then deleted it from grades 1, and you can see it's deleted from grades as well. So maybe this is not what you want. Maybe in some circumstances you might want this, but I'm not sure why, because you already have grades there. So why would you just change the name? Maybe, but what makes sense is to keep the original dictionary intact and just make changes in the copy. So now if I do this, let's see the result. So we're gonna run it again. Now you can see from grades, Paul isn't deleted. So this is the difference that I want to highlight here. If you're making a copy, the original dictionary will be intact. Okay, now a few other things that we can do is just comment this out. Comment this out. Okay. What I can do is I can get value for, let's say, Rohan. So what I do is I type shopping dot get, and then parenthesis I write Rohan. You know there's a Rohan here, and the value was 711. So let's try it, and you can see I got 711. So that's one way of getting value for a particular key as well. I'm just thinking, what else can I show you? Maybe I'll show you update. What if I want to update this value to something else? So let's say Let's do it this way. Shopping dot update. And then I type Rohan. And type AliExpress. So instead of 7-Eleven, I want it to be AliExpress. Now, if I get this, you can see that it's actually AliExpress. So guys, I hope this um, made dictionaries clear, and I've shown you a few things that we can actually do on dictionaries in Python. Um, there's one thing I actually wanted to show you, which is yes, properties of dictionary keys. So you can see it says more than one entry per key not allowed, which means no duplicate key is allowed. So if you're using name twice and you print it, you're gonna get the later one. You can see name many gets printed when the code is executed. And second one is keys must be immutable. What it means is, lists are mutable. So if you're using list as a key, you're gonna get an error because lists are mutable, so they cannot be keys in a dictionary. So guys, I hope dictionaries are clear and you have learned about Python dictionaries in this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and like the videos, comment on these videos, and I will meet you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.